Welcome to the show, where you'll learn how to invest in mortgage notes, the savvy real estate investor's secret weapon to create cash flow without tenants and property acquisitions for pennies on the dollar. My name is Robert Haitha, founder of Fixed Notes, and my mission is to make note investing ethical, profitable, and accessible for you. In every episode, we're democratizing the industry to put these powerful Wall Street assets into the hands of Main Street investors like you. So without further ado, let's get into this show where you're in good hands with my AI clone. Let's go. This program is for informational purposes only and should be independently verified before taking action. Most investors chase properties because that's what they see, but the real power in real estate has always been owning the debt, not the dirt. When you hold the note, you don't worry about tenants, maintenance, or managing contractors. You control the income stream, not the expenses. But to build a note portfolio, you need to find people willing to sell. So, how do you actually find note sellers? Start by recognizing this isn't a typical real estate game. Most performing and non-performing notes are not publicly listed. They're traded off market through networks, funds, servicers, brokers, and private investors. If you're waiting for someone to send you a list, you're already behind. You need to go get the deals. Start with small banks and credit unions. These institutions often hold seconds, charge-offs, or aging paper they'd rather move off the books. Use bank data tools like Distress Pro to identify lenders with high non-performing loan ratios. Pull the call reports. Find out who's holding toxic debt, then make the call. Next, build a habit around outreach. That means weekly targets, 5 to 10 new contacts minimum. Call, email, message on LinkedIn, reach out to specialty servicers and private equity firms. Anyone who originates, services, or trades notes is a potential seller or connector. You also want to leverage your existing network. Most investors overlook this. Let your title company, your real estate attorney, even your property managers know that you're buying notes. You'd be surprised how many people are one connection away from a note holder. Now let's talk tapes. When someone sends you a list, ask smart questions. Who owns the tape? Are you direct to the seller? Are they under contract? Or are you joining a daisy chain? Daisy chains kill deals. You're talking to someone who's guessing the price and hoping someone else delivers. That leads to confusion, retrades, and wasted time. So document your sources. Ask for proof of relationship if needed. Trust but verify. And don't ignore smaller sellers, individual investors, estate managers, or burned out landlords who took back paper through seller financing. These folks might only have 1 or 2 notes, but the margins can be outstanding. They also tend to have cleaner docs and less competition. Once you build some rapport, ask them how often they sell. Some funds move loans monthly, others quarterly. The goal is to get on that list. Stay top of mind with value-add follow-ups. A simple monthly check-in works. Keep it professional. Keep it short. But be consistent. Track every contact. Build a CRM. Even a basic spreadsheet works. Who did you talk to? When? What did they say? This helps you build a warm pipeline instead of starting from scratch every time. Over time, you'll see patterns. Some sellers only sell junk, some always overprice, but others will prove reliable, and you'll want to buy from them again and again. That's how you scale, not with one lucky deal, but by building systems to source continuously. Remember, sourcing isn't about getting lucky, it's a skill set. Build it like a muscle. Next up, we'll break down the pros and cons of working with brokers versus going direct to sellers, and why the best investors often do both. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and thank you to my trusty Robot and the Fixed Notes team for putting together another episode. If you want to learn more and hang out with the real, not AI version of me, join our free school community at school.com/fixnotes. That's SKOOL.com/FIXNOTES. In the meantime, we'll see you in the next episode.